Hello everyone, friends. Today on the channel I'll show you how to add a frame to a page in PowerPoint. So I've opened PowerPoint. Here I go to Insert and select Shapes. Now we'll choose this first shape here and stretch it to cover the area we need. Just like this. Next, right-click on it and click Format Shape. There. Now go to Fill and select No Fill. There. Next, go to Line Settings and increase the width. This makes the frame thicker. You can also change the color, say, to blue. There. And that's how we create a frame on the page or on any selected area you want. That's all. This has been your tutorial. See you all later.